Hello, my name is Jay Vaughan. I'm CEO of Family Futures and I'm one of the founding members of Family Futures, so I've been here for the last 25 years. I'm trained as a therapist, I'm a drama therapist, and I have various other trainings that I've collected over the years. I'm passionate about contact and believe that life story work and contact is essential for a young person's sense of themselves and their identity and for their well-being, and important for the birth family too. Over the last 25 years, I've been involved in a large number of sibling and family facilitated contacts, and I'm really excited to be talking in workshop 1 about sibling contact and how important it is for the young people to have this contact happen and to be supported to ask those difficult questions and do that difficult thinking together and form a positive relationship going forward. So I look forward to seeing you all at the workshop.
Workshop 1, Sibling Facilitated Contact, will be presented by Julia, an adopted young person, alongside Jay Vaughan MBE and Karlien Smith-Classens. The workshop will begin with Julia talking about her experience of sibling contact that was facilitated as part of her life story work and how life story and contact went hand in hand. Julia will also give an update on her ongoing relationship with her siblings and how this has been supported with her own sense of identity and her place in the world. Jay will also discuss the role of the therapist in this process and how sibling contact needs to be facilitated and supported. The main themes and discussion points will be the pre-existing relationships between siblings and the impact of abuse on sibling relationships, such as scapegoating, parentification, and how to address the preparation for contact, supporting the other siblings and their needs and how to meet them, preparation of siblings during the contact process, facilitating the sibling contact, and following up. There will also be an opportunity for questions and further discussion during the workshop.